CX-805 cleared for takeoff at runway 25L.
All right, all set. CX-805 ready for takeoff. Use the gun. Toga NA. V1, rotate. Geez, who was that person who attempted to sprint into the runway? That's dangerous. Yeah, I agree. Anyways, I got the gears up and should be climbing up to our cruising attitude. Slowing the speed down a bit. Nice view I can see. Anyways, disconnecting Hong Kong's air traffic control. We'll be on our way to Toronto.